Happy birthday, John. Wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays and candles to blow.
Yun, wish na ko nga tagaan ka pa ni Lord o good health, more opportunities sa imong work, o good health, kay syempre kailangan mo na as you kuan sa imong trabaho, sa pamilya. O salamat June for loving Hannah and Alexis, o pag-love niyo sa mua. We love you also and hope na kanang magkita-kita na punta sunod. We spend another time together na makasuroy o makabanding. And once again, happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday, Kong! Wishing you a happy life o taas pa na kinabuhi. Thank you for taking care of Tita and Alexis o sa amo, especially appeal jud mi nimo sa mga treat na mura na pud nimo mga igsuon. Happy birthday ya, enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Junjun. I hope your day is just as great as the husband and father you are. Cheers to another year.
June!
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yo, what's up Biko? Happy birthday sa'yo and more birthdays to comes and mag-iingat kayo palagi dyan and God bless. So yun lang. Sheesh!
Hi Dikong! Happy birthday! Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and all the things that bring you joy. You deserve all the beautiful moments this world has offered. Happy birthday Dikong! Ingat kayo lahat dyan! Miss you all! Love you!
Bye-bye, love you all!
Hi Dikong! Happy birthday to you. Sana matupad lahat ng birthday wishes mo ngayon. And sana magkaroon ka ng healthy and happy life there in Australia with your family, of course. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. And then I hope you will enjoy your birthday celebration. Yun lang. I love you. I miss you.
Hi John! Kumusta? Happy 40th birthday! Sana mag-enjoy ka. Kasama mo si Hannah, si Alex, sila nanay, tatay, pati lahat ng kapatid natin. Sorry, hindi ako nakapunta kasi alam mo naman, bago ang trabaho ko dito. But I know na mag-i-enjoy ka today or tonight. And alam mo na mahal kita. You're my brother, my best friend, all of you. I love you and hope na mag-enjoy ka sa araw na to. Love you, John. Ingat ka palagi. Regards to everyone. Bye-bye.